baby, what's up, what's up? What's going on, guys? I got fit. So I ain't come tourner back. Okay, you already know, guys. Jodi, guys, m'pral wè yon. Listen, guys. Yon zanmi. M'pral wè yon zanmi. Répétez ensemble avec. M'konnen nous, c'est m'konnen nous très bien. Nous mal parlant, nous mal comprendre. Jodi, répétez ensemble. Jodi, nous pral wè on ti zanmi.
Okay.
So jodi m'pral wè on ti zanmi. Yon ti zanmi. Pourquoi ça m'a répété plusieurs fois? Parce que m'pa vle nous mal comprendre. OK? So, m'nan kalan là, m'boring zanmi ça. Dernièrement, c'était graduation. Il a gradué, by the way. Congratulations, my friend. OK? Pas de aller dans la graduation. Parce que moi, j'étais vraiment occupé. But, je voulais make it up. OK? Je dis, je vais avec tes amis maintenant. Ils font un petit manger ou bien un petit ice cream or something. OK? Juste pour make it up. Parce que je n'ai pas de chance pour me aller dans la graduation. But, listen, je ne vais pas oublier. M'oublier introduire nous gars avec cheveux hein. Listen guys, grand pile bagay me fait dans la vie et m'pas de chance pour me montrer tout le bagay parce que nous seulement ouais dans 15 minutes vidéo seulement et la vie pas 15 minutes, nous sommes qui vraiment busy pile bagay. So pas pour tout ça me fait dans 15 minutes. OK. So qu'on guys, me prendre ensemble avec nous là bien rapide. On peut aller cause nous là, nous va faire un petit sortie, faire un petit relax. Passer un petit temps ensemble guys. Mais bah, petit ça va dire. C'est moi connais nous-mêmes, nous vraiment parler en pile. Et avant même d'entrer dans la vidéo en net, faut me dire comme ça, si pas voulez mal Miami, why don't you go with me? Hein? Si pas voulez mal aller, why don't you go with me? Pourquoi pas aller avec? Simple is that. Okay? Ou pas voulez mal aller, you just go with me. So, je nous carré gars, me fait cheveux. Avait dit, Miami a lit tonton. So guys, je vais remarquer dans ma machine kounya là, moi pour aller man, m'pa chercher ti zanmi yeah man, ne pas son bel petit temps, était fait, était gradué, nous tout le monde connaît dans moment ça là, grand pile monde qui a gradué guys, c'est moment graduation, m'vle prendre petit temps ça pour me dire ou même, si c'est un monde qui fait graduer aujourd'hui, qui fait graduer dans jour tout passé là yo, d'abord m'gè tandu en pile félicitations parce que gradué, so ou gen temps passé une étape dans la vie, so tout travail ou t'as fait réalisé et vraiment proud of you. Continuer frapper, continuer faire moun l'école vraiment important et moi crois dans ou devenir un monde sérieux, un monde important avec la vie. Moi dans route là et nous aller j'ont carrément remarqué, non, moi lit dans la machine, moi là, guys, gardons ligne. Ouais, ligne ça, mon qui va acheter ice cream. Je pense qu'on vient avec ça là pour nous prendre un ice cream ou bien nous chiter en côté nous manger, nous passons un petit temps ensemble. C'est vraiment important, guys. So, bah, kounya là, je prends d'elle, on return, let me arriver and nous kawa. Yes. Okay. Alright, listen, zanmi, right? Guys, listen, m'pa vle nous penser au bas. OK, m'pa vle nous faire des autres. Pas faire des autres, pas faire des autres. On va prendre zanmi, OK? Zanmi. So, restez branché, restez là, parce que je ne peux pas arriver n'importe là. Guys, my friend is coming right now. Oh yeah. I gotta open the door for ya. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Yeah, I mean, what's someone special? Eh? Nah, you're good. You guys for budget lemon or one? Put country guys out. Yes, sir. Oh, taking by eye. Sorry, from taking by side. Yeah, so. you know. Alright, guys, so my friend is here, man. Attends, fais silence. Fais le silence, j'aime moi. Fais silence, pas faire bruit. Okay? Look.
I look so bad.
You look so bad. No, you're not bad. You know.
Yo.
You're good. No worry, you're good. You're good. How do I look?
You look great.
Great.
Yes, sir. Nice hair, though.
Oh, thank you. And
Yeah, it's nice.
yeah. Alright. So where we going?
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know. Listen, avec zanmi, guys, okay? Zanmi. I'm calling you. Okay, so no, you good.
Yeah.
They're good. See, you got their nails done, so.
No, it's not. Yo.
So, guys, so I'm going to sortir koun yan la man kote prale, but rete la and suive kote prale, guys. I don't know where I'm going. So, by the way, congratulations to you.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, guys,
Some pictures.
yeah, show me some pictures. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So, guys, you got Jay. Congratulations once again. Okay. So, some businesswoman. She's gonna be a business woman. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yo, I'm toujours perdu là, m'vin dans zone ça.
Where you trying to go though? Like,
I don't even know. So, you want something to eat?
I'm full to be
full,
honest.
right?
Yeah.
So, you want ice cream, something like that?
I
Guys,
don't
listen,
eat ice
I don't know what's going on with me, but my voice going down. Feel like my voice going slowly.
The picture.
Okay, see the picture, guys? I wish I could show you guys. Yeah, guys, mwen yon apre mwen yon apre sou lig nan la. Mwen gade mwen sa mwen yon fè, mwen ap tourne back un ti tan, okay? Ba jodi mwen ti jan okipe. Honest. Obviously. Man, yo, do you feel pressure in nothing like
You somebody else.
yeah, I feel like I'm somebody else, like for sure.
I could tell.
Guys, ese nou konen, zanmi mnan, koman yo di ba la? Mba am ka sonje nou.
Kina.
Like,
Cosmetology?
koman customer,
Wait.
customology.
Cosmetology.
Jesus.
Okay,
Cause
me,
ta
la,
logic.
G. Cosmetology.
Customology.
You can say Cosmo.
Guys, on m'a dit but this fois, I'm still back at it. So I'm début for the diminuer, pas jamais qu'à dire. From that practice.
Cosmo too.
Cosmo. Yeah, you know, much easy. Cosmo. So, guys, zanmi now, lié étudier Cosmo. Okay? So, qu'est-ce qu'on fait avec Cosmo? On ne peut pas comprendre. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait là-dedans?
Well, cosmetology is like you can do hair, nails, makeup, facial, and all that. But for me, I'm more interested in doing hair, braiding, weave, insert of a weave, wig, and all that.
Peace. So, as you guys can see, il va tellement parler créole.
Oui,
You know?
parler créole.
Il va tellement parler créole, guys. It's,
parler
you know,
créole.
il parle créole. Il parle en pile créole.
Parler créole.
Ice cream for ice cream for fine. Just for ice cream. Okay, so guys, so far, mbo gen kote mbrale na fonti ice cream date or something. Right? She's laughing like she's out of it, man. So, guys, sa nou lè m fè? Like, m sa nan kay pou kont mwen, I'm boring.
Huh?
I'm just something.
Bored.
Yeah,
You need some company?
something like that.
Ah!
That's not like that. Mr. Company.
Some
Yeah, it's a mention show. I'm just on TV. Avem.
Yeah. I'm down.
You're always down.
Period.
But today I can't show your face for some reason. But soon.
The wool's not ready yet.
Yeah, you guys not ready yet. No preocupe. What about them? Give me a second.
I don't even know what kind you want.
Vanilla.
Okay, can I get ice cream, please? Hello? See, I'm far.
Yeah. That's for y'all. Thank you. Alright guys, so I got my ice cream. She got hers. Yes sir. So guys, yon ka remarke, ice cream nan fini, ça veut dire ice cream nan fini longtemps. Okay? So I'm just pack my camera on. And yeah. Damn! Yo, get that fini, you get the manger kon nan. Jeez. Ou ba yon ice cream no?
No, I'm bueno.
Guys, lo ga so bre ice cream, mi pa di jan wait. M pa ka bre ice cream devan nou. M wè kampe video, m bre ice cream nan. M bre ice cream nan apre. Yeah, so nou pral non ti pak. Pas son ti tan ansam. Parle. Ba sa pou le moment, but. Ou kon sa m vle mando?
Ah.
Vle mando ki plan apre graduation sa la apre. Ki plan.
What you mean,
What's
like,
next?
well, getting my license. Not my car license, obviously. My customer license. And get a job. And start from there.
Okay. I see it. You wanna faire monter ici? So guys, we're gonna park.
And then, if I want to move, like to get like a job that pays really good, you know, especially like, let's say Georgia. Because, you know, they do hair a lot over there, so I can do that.
So, vous voulez move Georgia? Ou elle fait ça?
No, I can move anywhere I want, but I'm just saying Georgia, like, specifically. Because you get paid good. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, zanmi nan fè cheve. A di, sou ta men fè cheve tout pi devan. Bon, kounya nou baka wel. Bon, pi devan sou ta men fè cheve. Listen, man. I got you. Alright? She got ya. So, yeah, ou te toujou di m kou vle fè yon... Ou vle gen like un salon or something like that? No?
Nah, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Alright. So, m ka la, m ka bo advice, sou vle advice. Nou se li bagay nan business spesyalman. M ka bo advice. M ka fè kek ti aktivite pou. M ka edo nan not aktivite. So, konen ba Miami?
Really?
Yeah, you wanna go with me?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, that's just gonna say yes. Yo, m bay moun Miami here, guys. M got Miami. Miami, but I'm going on a business trip though. It's gonna be a business trip. Business trip. I'm going on by the way, boy. You want water? Yeah. She done.
You sure? Yeah.
Oh man.
See, that's why we eat ice cream, okay?
Oh wow. Yo, that's crazy. Who living?
Yes.
Who in ice cream? Jeez. Oh, my back line. I'm gonna take a left here, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah,
That's
yeah.
not the park though.
Oh no. That's the okay.
That's Castle Park.
That's yeah, that's the one. Take left here.
Yes.
Oops.
You can still go. It's yellow.
Yeah. Well, ou son mauvais chauffeur.
But you could still go though.
Oh yeah. Red line. We got you.
It was yellow.
Red line.
It was yellow though.
It was yellow though. It was not.
Now it's green. You can go.
Now it's green. No, I wanna get no ticket, bro. So guys, mbap the video sa telman long. Mba se nou ka enjoy li. But listen, si video sa gan pil like, map vin avel or fwa na chanel la anko. And fwa sa maybe.
I can show my face.
Yeah, so li dil e ba mwen. Ok, mba force mou ke fikil. Li vle mou ke fikil level la moute, right? She's my friend though, like guys, for real. It's my friend. Okay.
Yes, just friends. Just friends.
Yeah, just friends.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just friends. Alright, so nobody not pack. as a friend. Ok, nou ba chita, nou fin ba scrim. Nou chita parle de business, parle de activité, de la vie. Pas ton petit stress ensemble. And then, n'importe quoi, guys. Let's get it. Let's go. The same thing?
Huh?
Même genre?
No, mine is kind of pink. It's like a rose gold pink.
Mwen plusieurs couleurs. Mwen gen blanc ça, mwen gen ça c'est un marron, avec dans jem là. Mwen gen noir, mwen gen sun. What's it dehors? So I gotta open the door for you, man. Come on, wait for me. Wait for me. Guys, faut traiter tes amours bien. Là, traiter tes amours, on va besoin. Là, les amours, tes amours bien. Okay? So. Yes, sir. Artist leader, where? Right, see, right. Where can we make jacket? Artist leader, we. Ooh, I'm missing that. It's not bad.
Thank you.
Wow.
My Georgia.
Oh my God. Push it up, machine là, non? Push it.
Huh?
Push it up. All right, let's go. Oh. Yeah, nous allons petit pack ça là. Comment faire un pack ça? Comment on là? Who's that guy? Who's that? Who's that guy? Don't play with me.
I play with you.
Don't play with me. Is that mon car with my legs, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
He's
sir.
my friend too.
Your friend too, right? So your friend, my friend. Your friend is my friend.
Yes, sir.
So guys, I pack on balancing. Want to balancing now?
Yes.
Yo, look at low.
I'm still gonna go.
Look at low. Yes, sir. Man, if it. Guys, if you foot my boy, look at him, so guys scream. Yo,
Bro.
how we gonna get on it? So don't be long for you, man. Yo, my tremblé, don't fret. Yo, yeah, I'm so balanced. Yo, if I foot, man, too
Yeah, I'm so
fret.
good.
Guys, we're gonna copy this lemon. Man, look at the balance in the too fret. You know what?
What it do?
Guys, I'm literally shaking right now. Tell me if I fret. Tell me if I fret, guys. We'll take for now, because I'm being if I fret. So guys, that's what the spot là, and then bye. See you.